Oh.
What the?
What the fuck?
Fucking lit, dude. Wait, YT Samuel has connected?
What the fuck?
Anybody know who that is?
Nope.
I'm sleeping forever.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Whoa.
Oh shit! Big red motherfucker!
Maybe those outsiders then.
Oh, cannibals just spawned right in front of us, what the fuck?
They just spawned!
Oh, there's like 5 of them, what the fuck?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm going to bed. What? Hey, cannibal! I just got jumped, what the fuck? Okay.
Oh, there's a guy.
It's penis. I'm
stuck.
stuck.
I'm getting rid of this baby.
Oh.
Penis is about to attack. Oh, there's a chainsaw right there or something, I think. I think it's like a chainsaw, I think is what it said. What's up, guys? It's GrinchKD, and welcome to episode 4 of our Sons of the Forest playthrough. This episode, in my opinion, is the biggest progress that we make. We get tons and tons of stuff, tons of key cards. We're starting to kind of unlock the story and all the puzzle pieces that we need to complete it. So it's pretty cool stuff. I hope you guys enjoy. A little bit slower pace than usual because we are doing some interesting stuff. I don't want to say what it is, but it's a little bit slower pace than usual, but I hope you guys are ready. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
How are you guys so fast? What the fuck's going on?
You got your flippers on still, buddy.
Is that actually effective?
Yeah, you can't sprint with your flippers on.
Oh my god.
I love you guys. You need to pull out your shovel? Oh shit, you do. Oh man.
I'll see if that'll actually move it around.
I don't see nothing yet.
Oh shit, let me fucking pull up my shovel too, bro. Damn, we gotta fucking dig in this bitch.
Yeah, I really dig.
We're slaving. Oh, wait, it's a hatch! It's a hatch!
Oh shit, yep.
Oh!
Oh shit, bro, good fucking find. We gotta just dig it out enough to get I gotta get this corner by Brett.
Dig in this corner right by me.
Okay. I think we're good, I think we're good on this side. I mean, we should be able to get in there in a second. Fuck yes, dude. Let me claim
Oh
that.
my god, you're kidding. What the hell? It's
Oh, there you
cold.
go.
Oh, E, hold E.
Oh.
What the?
What the fuck?
What the?
Maintenance.
Oh, boys. Oh, we like. Oh. See you guys' eyeballs, dude. What the fuck? You guys' eyeballs look like fucking cherry tomatoes.
I'm scared to go down here, bro, and I just gotta, like, if we have to pull out our weapon right away.
I got my fucking shovel
What the
out.
fuck was that?
Yeah, what was that? Was that what was pulling out a shovel?
Maybe. Hold on, let me
Yo.
put my club on.
Let me, yeah, little brother do that shit too.
Wait, there's water.
There's what?
Please. Oh. That's all it's very cool. Oh, there's shit right here. See water.
Whoa. Hey, electrical panels. Oh, they got circuit breakers on there?
Oh my
And,
god, oh my god. Wait, this is actually scary, boys.
But this is scary as fuck.
Okay.
You know, 100 printer resin. Ooh. I wonder if this is where we do our printing, boys.
Wait.
Make a mask.
I'm gonna get a fucking
It's a Roomba.
grenade. I'm getting grenades out.
Yeah.
I bet. I'm just gonna eat fucking. Oh, I have an MRE, dude. I'm so fucking retarded.
Hey, where'd you guys get water at?
No.
I just get out of the river before I fucking.
You said you saw some, Brett?
No, it was like an oil thing.
Alright, there's babies up here.
Energy drink?
And
I should have refilled on water up there too. I'm a
Oh, wait,
fucking
energy
dumbass.
drinks?
Yeah, right here. It was like right here. $5
I'm gonna drink it. Need it.
We're gonna give you some water, or does it give you water when you drink it?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, fuck it, I'm drinking some too then.
There's a room to our right.
Oh yeah,
Wait,
gives you fuck
is
that.
this the kids' room?
Bro.
Oh, this is where the printer is. This is where the printer. Look for the printer. This is where it was in the trailer. Over here, on me. Printer. You can make arrows for 50 milliliters.
Arrows.
Oh, key card. On the table.
Wait, where? Oh!
For capital planter, that probably gets us into the fucking thing. Oh, we got
Red
some.
though.
I don't think that matters.
Oh, boy, you can make a flask to like carry water.
Oh, what? Oh,
Yeah.
hold up.
Oh, I'm
Wait,
doing
hold
I'm
on.
making that shit.
Oh.
I'm making. I got one printing.
All right. Well, while I was printing, I'm gonna look around a little bit.
Yeah,
There's
yeah, yeah.
food like on the counter and stuff too, boys.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Email. Oh, another laser sight around me. On this computer, there's a laser sight attachment, boys. Did you already get it, Richard?
No.
Do you guys
laser
pick up your
sight back on the
flask?
computer.
Does it make it for
Oh.
all of us? I don't know.
Oh. Let's see. No, I gotta make one for myself. It's okay though.
Oh. I'll make you one. Oh,
No, I got one making right now. I think I had enough stuff to put in it.
I found a tuxedo.
Well, okay. Well, make sure you got this laser sight, and then we'll go and make sure we get all that.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Where was the laser set at? I don't know.
What's on this desk?
Outside of this desk, yeah.
Oh,
I'm
what
gonna
the-
get my
over here?
flask.
On ramen.
Dude, let's fucking go. Printed flask.
Oh
we
wait.
can save right here too.
Richard, you wanna
alright,
make a
sure.
flask real quick?
Yeah. I'll put it in.
Well, this thing has 900 milliliters of paint, or not paint, of stuff in it. We should use it all before we go.
Droop.
Like make the masks and shit, or just see what we can craft. Arrows, all that stuff. Just use every little bit.
Wait,
Of it.
do you think if we make the masks, the cannibals won't attack us?
Oh, you can save right here on the bed. I'm saving.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna save too.
Game saved. Alright. Wait, where's the tuxedo at?
It's in the bathroom.
Okay. Oh,
Hold on, I'm gonna make the mask, boys.
yeah, good idea. I hear babies on the other side of the wall.
Yeah, they're
The fuck?
fucking me. They're fucking me. I've never been fucked by a baby before.
I want to hit him, but I don't want to hit Brett.
Right?
You just hit me, you motherfucker.
I didn't.
This is like some fucking house, dude.
Oh, this one's still alive.
Oh, Richard, your mask? Oh, it's not done yet. Never mind.
That's not done.
Alright, now it's done. It's done. It's done now.
Oh, fuck yeah, bro.
You wanna grab it? I'll make one too. Yeah, I'll make one too. Fuck it.
There's more resin in here. You guys want?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, you don't put. Oh, you just like do this.
You hold it. Mm.
Yeah, you hold it.
Wait, I just got a solar panel.
What the fuck? Well, I gotta go see that shit. Oh wait. Oh wait.
Solar panel right here. On the...
Let me get my mask. What else can you craft? Or did you see everything that you can craft? Is it just the mask that goes in a flask?
You can make a like a circuit something to, but it's to make tech armor. So we should probably craft a couple of those.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, where's this solar panel, bro? It's in here. Oh, I found it. Dude, that's fucking. Dude, that's huge.
Where?
It's on like the shelf to the right here.
What the fuck? Yeah. Solar panel. Wow. Well, firefighter axe! Firefighter axe! Right next to the solar panel.
Oh.
Brett, did you get the axe?
No, I didn't know.
And put more. I put more ink in.
Make sure you get the axe. It's where like it's kind of next to the solar panel, close to it.
That's 700, I think.
Yeah, there's 700 resin in it. I don't think we should put any more in it. I don't know
No,
how
I
many
mean,
pictures there are on the map.
I mean, I filled that up into 1,000.
Dude, this axe is gonna be a fucking monster, Richard.
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude. I wonder if this is the axe of the game or if there's another axe.
Oh, this tech mesh.
Tech
250.
mesh. Damn, that's expensive. Let's make one and see what it unlocks.
I mean, what else? There's a sled, arrows, flask, mask, grappling hook. I'm gonna do the. Yeah, I'm gonna make this.
I'm gonna make
Okay.
the tech armor.
It's like the tech armor turns us into like Iron Man.
Yeah.
Looking for crazy ghost.
Okay, after this, I really gotta get off, but this shit's dope as fuck, dude. I'm like sad because I'm like, damn, we got so much shit now. We have the key card, dude. We have to remember that shit. If we play tomorrow, we can definitely go explore that.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna make a tech mesh too, fuck it. Yeah, because it's the key card's gotta get us to that fucking room. It's gotta.
I don't know. So now we can go back to that fucking.
Make sure you don't forget the axe, Brett.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the excellent save.
I'm looking for the tech mesh in my inventory. Oh, I found it.
What is this mask do?
Where is it by?
It's like by the big ass rocks, like bottom right.
I don't see.
I have everything except for batteries. Fuck.
I don't see the firefighter axe.
It's like in a. Yeah.
Oh, wang.
I'm gonna save one more time.
Wire and tape.
Yeah.
I'm making a piece of tech armor.
Sorry. Dude, I wasn't even looking at you, man.
I made a piece of tech armor, but I didn't put it on though.
I put mine on.
Game saved. Well, should we sleep real quick too? You guys want to sleep? Come over here. Or actually, wait, our food one. I'll go down.
How did that tuxedo look?
Look pretty gas.
Hey, yo.
I made a piece of tech armor, but I wasn't brave enough to throw it on you just yet.
Good
It's like
looking
yellow.
Wait, sorry, let me just look at you.
Damn, I like this music. Ow.
Dude, this thing's got some fucking reach. I was just looking. Oh, that reach.
Well, I'm gonna save one more
Sled?
time.
I'm making a sled, bro.
Richard's paranoid.
I'm paranoid.
Roomba.
Oh, wait, I don't have enough for sled. I wasted all my shit to make a sled.
I put all my ink in.
I appreciate it.
I still have like 300.
No, where's this? 75%. We need 250 more. I'm gonna check over here.
Wait, I'm actually out. There's no way. Oh my god, yeah.
I mean, it's not. I mean, it'll stay like that, so we can still come back and make another one.
What does this mask do?
I'm assuming when we hold it and like we put it on, the cannibals won't come at us. So like we could just walk to a cannibal camp and just steal their shit and just leave.
Yeah, we don't. We'll need more ink later. It's okay. Was that the end? This is the end of it right here?
Yep.
All that was down here. Okay. Pretty dope. We ran out of ink, but it's okay. At least we know that we have a sled that's 75% done. Fuck yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
It says I'll never ever be a barber.
Bro, it feels like we made like a fuck ton
Mad
of progress, bro.
Yeah.
We still have to like deck out our base though eventually too, like
Yeah.
like use solar panels and all this shit.
Well, fuck yeah, dude. Oh, it's so sick, dude.
Yeah, actually, let me look at this.
What time is it, boys? Fuck it. Do we go check out the key card? I'm excited about that key card, bro. My key card's fucking lit, dude. Wait, YT Samuel has connected?
What the fuck?
Anybody know who that is?
Nope.
Wait, what?
Another person joined the world, Brett.
It's on friends only.
It's up the hill, bro. You wanna go beat his ass?
Yeah.
Wait, what if he joined on a save with guns though?
Game chat. Oh shit, you're right.
Well, I'm killing.
No way he takes all
Spawn on
three of
the
us though.
map.
What's
Spawn
game
on
chat
the
say? Wait, can we use game chat?
Yeah, play your walkie-talkie. Yo.
Oh, you can be the communicator.
Yo. You hear me, guys?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, he hears you.
Yeah. Who is this?
Oh no, bro, he's not responding.
Why is he
I'm
not
scared,
answering?
bro.
Cannibal on you, Brett? Or a decked one? Hold up, might want to fight that.
Hey yo.
He's being suspicious.
He's
Why
being
did he
mad.
not say who he? Why did he not say who he was?
Hey, hello. Bro, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah, so what are you doing in the lobby, huh?
Hey, he's being super sus, bro.
Hello?
Wait, Hunter, I'm fucking one shot, bro.
Hello?
Why is he being so fucking weird, dude?
What's up?
what are you trying to do?
I don't know. Who is this?
I don't know, I just joined the lobby, it was open.
I don't know, bro. But we can't even take his loot, I don't think, if we kill him.
No, we can't. No. What do you say? What the fuck, dude?
I can't even hear him, bro. I'm just gonna head back to base, bro.
Okay, I kicked him. Dude, he's like, you guys need help building something? I mean, I guess. I did not know this was
Bitch.
open. Go to bed, go to bed, go to bed, go to bed.
Okay.
I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping.
Hunter's taking forever, Hunter's taking forever, Hunter's taking forever.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What the fuck?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What?
It's fucking
just
winter, bro. What the
snowing.
fuck do you mean, what?
Brett, you don't see all the snow?
It is not snowing.
Dude,
You're
Brett.
fucking tripping, bro.
Look
You're
at my
fucking
screen. Look at my
tripping.
screen, Brett, look at my screen.
Ow, you slapped me, you fucking cocksucker.
Get back in, dude.
What the hell?
Bro, what? What? What is this?
Wait, look at my screen.
Wait.
What?
We need Brett POV. No, let me see. Let me see Brett POV.
Bro, what?
Wait, now it's snowing on my screen.
Wait, what? Brett? Not in the rock. What? Oh, now,
It's
okay.
cold.
Fucking A.
No, for us, like, the snow's already landed. Oh, now it's snowing. Oh, I need to eat food before brother starves.
There's a cannibal on you, Hunter.
I'm eating food. Fuck. Oh, it's a cocksucker. Bitch. Oh, he's got full cannibal armor. What the fuck? We're not doing shit to him. This boy's loaded as fuck. I got a stick on me. I don't have time to pull out my weapon. Oh, wow. We're kind of fucked.
Nice feed. Yeah, he's fucking dead, bro.
Okay, that boy dead.
I am Jeffrey Dahmer.
Dude, that blood on the snow, bro. Oh,
Oh, no, another one pulling up.
what's up, pussy?
Bitch.
Oh my god, his arm! I
Oh.
chopped off his arm!
You chopped off his fucking. Oh, I just chopped off his leg, bro. Eat that shit, boy.
I'm decapitating him.
Well, that fish is burnt as hell. Oh, what the fuck? I got smacked. Bitch. Oh, I fucked him up. I just fucked him so good. I fucked him so hard.
Blah. Blah.
We're getting jumped, boys. Let's fucking like 2 more. Your girlfriend's getting ganked. Your girlfriend's getting ganked, Brett. They're beating the fuck out of your woman.
Blah. Blah.
Smack the fuck out of that boy. Smack the fuck out of that boy. Oh my god, this firefighter axe is insane. In the game, not in real life. Red's too sexy. He has multiple bitches.
Boys, we got like 3-4 cannibals. Like right outside.
I'm stuck in. I don't know how to tell Kevin to leave me alone. Oh shit! Big red motherfucker! Oh my god. The one's that one. Oh
There's
no,
another one! There's another one!
What the hell?
They're like fucking big Martians,
There's
dude.
3!
Oh,
Get outside! Get outside!
There's more. I cut one of their legs off. Fucking fat red munchkins. Fucking bitch. I'm fucking him up. Miami. Ugh. God. Damn.
Oh my girlfriend!
They killed your girlfriend? No.
I killed her!
You killed her?
I did!
No. I'm taking that motherfucker's prison wallet. Well, we kind of just damaged the interior, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of fucked up the inside of the house. I mean, a little bit, really. No,
Hey, you
Brett,
can kind
no.
of see her.
Really? Oh, damn. Wasn't a complete loss then.
Yeah.
Wow, I've never seen those big red guys.
Like a dog.
No.
Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe those outsiders them.
Oh, cannibals just spawned right in front of us. What the fuck?
They just spawned!
Oh, there's like 5 of them. What the fuck? Bitch, I'm fucking you up. I'm fucking you on your daddy kids, baby. Oh, I just dropped a big motherfucker. I'm so big. Big ass dick. Big ass dick.
Decapitated him?
Big
Decapitated
ass
him?
dick. Big ass dick. Oh, I cut that motherfucker's head off. Oh my dick. Oh my dick, Richard. I lost 1 piece of armor against the biggest and baddest bitch in the West. Just fucked him so good. They literally spawned right in front of us, bro. Fuck was that?
Yeah, that was fucking crazy.
Wild.
Oh, we can see better right now.
Bro, I thought we would, dude.
We can go
Yeah,
to
I
bed.
almost just fucking insta-froze, Richard.
Yeah, no,
Holy
dude.
shit.
Oh yeah, we could go to bed. Dude. Just hold a torch out, Hunter.
I hear motherfuckers.
I was walking in the forest and shit with a torch out, and you don't get as cold.
Not trying to sleep or what?
Yes. Where's the bed? Here it is.
Right here.
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm going to bed. What? Hey, kill him all! I just got jumped, what the fuck? We couldn't. I don't think we slept because he jumped us.
What is he doing, man? Stop!
My game froze. My game froze.
Stay dead, pussy. Stay dead. Stay dead. That's an omen diff. All right, sleep again. I don't know.
What is it?
Good fuck
Where is
question.
it?
That is a good question.
Oh, it's right here. Guys, this is a new one. It's right on me.
Oh wait, no, this is the cave. Wait.
No. I don't know what the fuck this is. This is a new cave though. We haven't
Is
been
it?
here, have we? Yeah. Fuck it, we wall?
No. We've been in this cave. No.
You sure?
No. Yeah. Positive.
You're tripping, bro.
I'm not tripping, bro.
It's the inside. Why is our thing beeping then? Why is your thing beeping?
No, I'm like almost. Yeah. No, look. Wait.
Why's your thing beeping, buddy?
Wait. Yeah, this. Wait, boys. A 3D printer has been here the whole time.
No, we've never been in this fucking
This
cave.
is new.
This is
fucking
new.
Wait, what?
Look, ink and shit, boys, on these shells.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, solar panel.
More ink to finish the sled in the other base.
Oh yeah.
You save right here too.
What the
Whoa,
fuck
boys,
is
what the
going on?
fuck? Come here. I'll wait for you guys. I'll wait for you guys over here.
Uh-oh. Wait, make sure we looted all this properly, because I don't want to miss, like, a weapon or something.
I love that.
Okay, I'm coming. Hold on, what's this right here?
Yo, what the?
Uh-oh. Alright. Yo. What the fuck?
Chill out.
My fault. There's a Gucci bag right there.
Is your guys' characters breathing all hard too, bro?
Yeah.
Nah.
Wait, we can see that.
Wait, there's a key card there.
Yep.
There's a key card there. Move the fuck out of the way, Hunter. No fucking way. No fucking way. No fucking way. No fucking way.
We're in.
No. Wait, hold on. Wait, I'm getting a flashlight. I'm getting like an actual flashlight.
I'm down for that.
Alright, wait for me. Wait.
Oh wait, actually, I gotta refill the batteries. Wait.
Let me get a grenade out.
Yeah, cause I hear some shit, bro.
My motherfucker's dead as hell. Oh, look at a water fountain.
Yo, this guy got a weight smash on his head.
Energy mix. What?
Ooh.
Look for a weapon in here, boys. There could be a fucking weapon in here.
Is that energy drink over here?
Energy drink over here too, yeah.
Oh, this is glass. What the fuck? Yo, I'm
Oh, there's a pool. There's a pool over here, boys.
Wait, that means this key card works on the other one too.
Babies.
Yo, guys, on me, go. Big guys.
Come on.
We could take them on with axes there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's a pool back there. We gotta make sure we explore that pool too. Do we get armor from them? Do we get armor from these ones? No.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, we do. Okay.
Alright, there's two more. That's a big one.
Baby.
Still.
Good right now. Grab that one too, real quick. Fucking them up.
Let me get this first one.
Yeah.
Wait. I'm coming.
No, do it without him. Hurry.
3, 2, 1, go. Cocksuckers. I think you guys trying to do it without me. Alright. I got it. I was able to get it. Look, okay, we're good. I can't carry any more of this shit, so a couple of it's popping out of my inventory. Don't grab it. I'll just put some on.
Balls.
How are you supposed to play golf?
Babies in here. They're dead. I don't see anything in here yet. Do you guys see anything?
Nah.
Okay, I just wanted to double check before we left it. Okay. Sounds like there's something behind this door though. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Alright, well, let's check out the other rooms then. I just want to make sure we got this figured out before we left it.
I hate listening to my character breathe.
Excuse me. There's a guy to the right and the left.
Yep.
Oh, you fuck! Cunt! Holy shit! There's all my armor.
He died really fast though.
You good?
Yeah, let me pull the lighter. 3, 2, 1, go. We'll go to that one real quick behind us too. 2, 1, go. Okay. Over.
I need to drink on my counter. Oh.
Cloth and meds over here, boys.
Oh, you can break the radios for circuit board too. I've been in one of these actually. Not kidding. One of these like tabs.
Cloth and meds, yep. More cloth. Alright. Interesting shit, but I don't know what the fuck this is. There's gotta be something important down here to the story though, like some weapon or item.
Pajamas collected.
What?
There's pajamas in there.
Ooh.
Nice. Days on my feet, you know it.
There's a bitch. There's a bitch. There's a bitch.
Oh, that's a bad bitch. I'm gonna get behind. I'm gonna get behind it. Oh, smart, smart, smart.
Oh fuck, there's water down there.
I'm gonna
Fuck.
water, fuck. Yep.
Come out, bitch.
What the hell up? What the hell up? Yo,
Yeah, we can't get that arm.
Oh,
okay.
fuck.
We're only losing one armor. That's alright, Sure, nothing over here. She got a Louis Vuitton. She in the back of the on a futon. How about the how about it? Did y'all check out all the tables and shit before you went upstairs?
I checked out the ones on the right side, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you collect any of these valves?
There's another keycard door.
Do we do
Bro,
this? Do we do
oh,
the door,
wait.
or do we go anyway with the
No,
literature first?
this one doesn't work. This one doesn't work.
No,
We need a
doesn't
new
work.
key card. Okay. So we need multiple key cards to get into places then.
There's a guitar.
Oh yep. Guitar collected.
Oh, you can use it as a weapon.
Nice. Look, yeah.
I got coins.
This guy got a guitar down his throat, bro. Man's just trying to strip.
Bacon bites. What a bitch, come on, bacon bites.
Jesus Christ. Note to all employees: Mr. Puffington desires all digital communications to be printed out. Do not leave digital copies of communications on any devices. Discord our communications when you're done. Sincerely, Barbara. I picked up an album cover, bro. We got some vinyls, boys. We got like a. I'm picking up all this cash, bro.
Oh yeah. Make sure to get coins so you can build time bombs up.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Guest key card, guest key card, guest key card.
Oh yep. Blue key card, nice.
Arnold Groom.
As we start trying some of these rooms then. Once we're done checking this out. Next, probably
Wait. Oh, I thought I can get in there.
let's go check out the, let's go. Well, we got 2 doors to try, boys.
After searching the entire facility, despite having much more important tasks to be done,
Key card works, key card works on this door.
managed to locate the golf clubs. Unfortunately, the golf balls still elude us.
This room's small, let's check this one first. There's only one, it's like a little server room.
How'd you guys get in there?
Key card. Oh, shotgun, shotgun rail, shotgun rail, shotgun rail. Shotgun rail.
We have to build it? That's sick.
Oh, that's dope.
Oh, I'm from that ink.
Oh, an ink, an ink. Yep.
Yep. If you find anything crazy, just make sure you call it out.
Just trying to get ammo in there too.
Oh, document right there. Should we just document? Oh yeah, all kinds of ammo. Yep, good shot. Okay, now we try the key card in the other door, I guess.
Where was it at? It was like over here, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh no! Oh!
Oh, shit, bad bitch, bad bitch. Got y'all, bro. I got y'all.
I'll get the one behind him.
Nice. All right, let's go back to the first one.
Oh, one of them phased through the wall on my screen.
No,
Fuck.
it's all good. Oh, we can move it.
There you go.
I don't see it yet. Okay, I'm good.
I got. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Fucking Brett's a monkey, bro. Oh, I love Brett. Go.
Yeah, then the third one like went through this wall.
Oh yeah, I don't see him either. Yeah, it's all good.
Whatever.
We're already big money up, no funny up right now. Now we have 2 key cards to try in that one room. On that other area.
Alright, so there's a hallway down to the right.
Okay.
Check this room first.
More cash.
I hear noises.
Yeah, I hear breathing.
Another.
Yeah.
Oh wait, in here, boys.
Here's another artifact.
Should we check out that other room real quick first before we keep going forward? I say.
I feel like this is just a tiny room, no? This is a theater. Hunter, come here.
Okay.
Oh, there's a guy.
It's penis.
And
I'm stuck
I'm
in.
gonna get rid of this baby.
Oh,
Penis is about to attack. Oh, there's a chainsaw right there or something, I think. I think it's like a chainsaw, I think is what it said. Yeah, there's a chainsaw right here, boys.
Oh shit, you're right.
Yep. Oh, it's fucking, it's like a baby style chainsaw. A little dick chainsaw.
Oh! It don't matter. It still fucking does the chainsaw.
That's pretty sick,
that's
though.
badass. That's badass. We got a new crafting recipe too. Alright, I'm ready.
Ready?
Hunter.
Oh, alright, go ahead. Do it. I was gonna pull out the chainsaw and use it to tear a motherfucker up.
I wonder what it uses. Maybe like
Batteries.
a battery? Batteries, yeah.
Probably batteries.
I'm gonna start saving my batteries and I'm just gonna start using my lighter.
Where's that? Where's the chainsaw? In one of your cases?
Probably.
No.
Uh,
it's bottom
So
left. Yeah.
Bottom left.
Oh shit.
I'm making it number 7 on my shit. Check out the fucking rebreather. I jumped in the water once for this shit.
What can you combine the chainsaw with? Let's see.
Probably a flashlight and laser sight, maybe? Or maybe just a flashlight?
I'm not putting a laser sight on a fucking chainsaw. It's just for
Oh,
batteries.
just batteries.
For batteries, yeah. I wonder, can I combine the guitar? No, I can't. Okay.
Put a laser sight on that. Shotgun reel on the chainsaw?
Right?
This is big progress. I did not think. I thought.
Yeah.
I swear to God, we went to that green checkpoint. Dude.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I could have sworn we fucking went through it already.
Told y'all, bro. Trust.
Right. Like you knew anything.
Alright. I had no clue.
Oh, okay. Now we're going into a cave, boys.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
This just
Get my
keeps getting
lighter.
crazier and crazier, bro. What the fuck?
Let me get my lighter out.
Alright, I'm drink. I need to bind to my canteen to something. Bind it to like 8. Drink some water real quick.
Yeah, splits 2 ways already. Damn.
Damn, it's
Pull
already.
another way.
I think we go.
What's this hidden saying?
Oh,
Right
we're gonna go
sounds
both ways, anyways.
Yeah.
If people go right, I go left.
You wish, buddy. We're sticking together. We're a team now.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Wait,
fucking
what's
lord.
over there?
Wait. Oh wait, is this the entrance?
No.
No.
Oh wait, we just went in a circle. What the fuck?
What? Oh God. This
Oh.
suck.
What the fuck?
Okay, so. Oh wait, I didn't even see that when we walked in.
Me neither. So we go right?
I guess. What if this is like Blair Witch type shit?
Oh, dude, nah, I
No,
couldn't
we stay
handle
right.
that.
We stay right.
I would lose my fucking mind, man. Alright, well, there's no going back up from here, okay?
Alright, boys.
See y'all later.
Imagine if we just fucking walk straight and there's a ledge again.
Wait. Don't tell me it's
Oh.
an exit, bro.
I mean, we got a lot of
Oh,
shit.
this game gay as hell, my boy.
Gets like 3 core items in the cave. I want more.
Wait, you want one?
I mean, yeah.
Damn.
in another cave.
So where was that other?
Wait,
where
wait,
was
our
that?
shit's beeping. Our GPS is beeping. Oh wait, what the fuck? I don't know why.
But where's like the we gotta find the thing for the other key card
Oh,
though.
no.
I don't know where it's at.
What's up, guys? Well, that's going to be where the episode ends for this one. Next episode, we get some crazy weaponry. I don't want to say what it is, but it might do a little pew-pew action, so it's pretty crazy. But this episode, we were kind of the bunker busters, so I hope you guys enjoyed. A little bit slower pace than usual, but still some big enemies and still tons of cool items, tons of mysteries. Like, whoa, what are all these bunkers doing underground on this remote island? Kind of weird stuff, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.